Good boy, Petey. Good boy.
Cracker.
You want a cracker?
Cracker.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi.
Oh, Petey.
Petey doesn't like that, remember? You
All
want
right.
crackers, Petey?
Cracker.
Petey, I don't have any crackers.
Cracker.
Here you go.
Give me a cracker.
Get a cracker.
Can I put it in?
No, you can't do it. You're not trained yet. You're not trained well enough yet to give Bert a cracker.
Cracker.
Bite my finger.
Don't bite it.
Hey,
Cracker.
Petey, I named you after this bird.
which is complete bullshit, Grandpa. Honestly.
He loves me more.
That bird's gonna outlive you, Grandpa, and I'm gonna be stuck with some bird's name?
Yep.
He loves me more.
How did he learn that?
I don't know. I think your mother was over here before, and maybe your sister or something. They were saying stuff like that too.
Oh, Grandpa.
Yeah.
You love the bird more than me?
Loves me more.
And this dear man was survived by his grandson, Petey, and his parrot, Petey. His final wishes were to have a eulogy delivered by Petey, the parrot.
Oh,
Dearly beloved, we are here to honor Grandpa. Grandpa. He was loved by many, and he loved us all. He was a good man. He did not like other Petey.
bullshit.
Not bullshit. He said it on his
He
deathbed.
spent months teaching you to say that.
Excuse me, son, we're in a church. That's a little inappropriate.
Inappropriate.
They named me after a bird. Is that appropriate?
We can talk about your issues after the funeral. It sounds like you need some grief counseling. I'm happy to sit with you, but we need to honor your grandfather at this time.
Cracker.
He left me the bird.
I think that's appropriate.
I know.
The bird is gonna outlive me.
Absolutely. I will tell you.
Obviously, we're off track slightly here. Can we all open our hymnals to page 168? We will sing Nearer My God to Thee. Nearer my God to Thee, nearer to
Stop crying.
Thee.
You look like a girl.
Shut up, Petey.
You look like a girl.
Nearer my
Grandpa!
You're ruining
Faster!
Ruining his funeral. Ruining his funeral. Petey. Other Petey.
Ah! Spite me again, damn bird.
Stop fighting, you two! Stop it!
Hayden,
Yes, Petey?
I will always be better than you.
Mr. Thompson, I'm really sorry about this.
Always.
No, Petey. I will have my moment. I will have my day. And you, grandfather, will roll over in that grave.
It's time to just wrap this up, and Petey was scheduled to say the prayer, the benediction. I think that we'll forego that, and I'll just, in the name of our Father, amen.
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 Amen.